Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn about the concept profit and loss. We shall learn some of the important types of questions with examples and detailed solutions to the problems. Before going into the concept, let's get introduced to the topic. This topic mainly focuses on measuring financial gain or loss in the transactions by comparing cost price and selling price of a product. Now let us know about some of the general or key terms of the concept. Cost price, the price at which a product is purchased. Selling price, price at which a product is sold. Market price, displayed or printed price on the product. This is mainly used in problems related to the discounts. Profit or gain is occurred when the selling price is greater than cost price. Loss is occurred when the selling price is less than cost price. Discount is equal to the market price minus selling price. Let's learn some of the important formulas for easy calculation of the concept. Profit percentage is equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. Loss percentage is equal to cost price minus selling price by cost price into 100. Formula for determining the selling price when profit percentage or loss percentage alone is given. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percentage by 100, or the selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percentage by 100. Here you can find the derivation of the formula. As we know, the profit percentage is equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. Using the mathematical calculation, bringing the right hand side contents to the left hand side and rearranging the terms, here we can arrive this formula like selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus pp by 100. Similar way, calculation for the selling price when only loss percentage is given can be seen here. For calculating the discount percentage is equal to discount price by market price into 100. Here, market price is assumed as a base or constant. Some typical cases which can be encountered occasionally are the concepts like dishonest shopkeeper. Here, the dishonest shopkeeper means selling products with false or lesser weights rather than for true weights. Here, the profit percentage is equal to true weight minus false weight by false weight. And the successive transactions, like an item is sold to successive persons, like for example x to y, y to z, etc. And some concepts like replaced goods, like partial sales, broken goods or damaged products, stolen goods, etc. Remember some of the important tips for calculation of these problems. First one, always calculate profit or loss percentage on the cost price unless it is specifically asked. Discount is always calculated on the market price as discussed earlier. At a constant selling price, if two items are sold at the same price, one at X percentage profit and the other at X percentage loss, then there is always an overall loss of X square by 100%. This we shall calculate using some practical example for easy understanding. A man purchased two chairs at different cost prices and sold them each for 500 rupees. That is the selling price is fixed here. Find the cost prices of the chairs and also determine the overall profit or loss percent if the profit and loss percent is same at 10% for each transaction. Solution for this starts from determining the cost prices. In the scenario 1, where cost price 1 is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percentage. Here, selling price SP is equal to 500, profit percentage is equal to 10, and by calculation we get 454.54 rupees as a cost price 1. And in the cost price 2, SP is equal to 500 and the same loss percentage is equal to 10. Here we get SP2 as 555.55 rupees. Now the total selling price SP1 plus SP2, which is 1000 rupees, and the total cost price is equal to 454.54 plus 555.55. Here it is 1010 rupees point 10 paisa. Here it is a loss because the cost price is more than selling price. Loss percentage is equal to 1010.10, and you can find the calculation. It is almost 1%, that is x square by 100. Here it is difficult to relate the formula. We will understand this easily with using one more example, assuming the overall conditions of the above problem is same, just changing the percentage of profit or loss to 5%. Now here the cost price 1 calculation is as such, and we get CP1 as 476.19 rupees, and the CP2 calculation, and here CP2 is 526.31 rupees. Total selling price is equal to 1000 and cost price is equal to 1002.50. Loss percentage is equal to total cost price minus total selling price by total cost price into 100. 1002.5 minus 1000 by 1002.5 into 100, which is 0.25, that is x square by 100. There are other kind of examples, like for example 1, problems on purchase of goods adding some value to the product and selling it. Here for example, Ramu buys an old car for rupees 47,000 and spends rupees 8,000 for its repair and renovation, and he sells the same for 58,000 rupees. What is his profit percentage? The solution for this is cost price is 47,000, value addition is 8,000, which is his additional investment. So the net cost price comes to 55,000, 47,000 plus 8,000. The profit percentage is equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price, as the formula goes, and here we will get 300 by 55, that is 5.45 percentage as his net profit percentage. Let's take other scenario where determining the profit or loss percentage with indirect data. A merchant sold a TV for rupees 4,500 and he occurred a net loss of 16.66 percentage. What would be his net profit or loss percent if he sells the same for rupees 5,703.75 rupees? Here we have taken this as odd figure so that we can calculate the problem easily. Solution. Here there are two scenarios. Scenario 1. Here the selling price 1 means in the first case he has sold it for 4,500 rupees with a loss percentage of 16.66%. For determining the cost price of the product, we are doing CP1 is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus LP, and the cost price is almost 5,400 rupees. In the second scenario, where the selling price is 5,700 rupees, 703.75 rupees, so it is more than cost price and there is a net profit to the merchant. Now the profit percentage is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100, and here in the second case selling price is 5,703.75 minus 5,400 by 5,400 into 100, so the net profit percentage is 5.63%. Similarly, there can be problems on discount like market price and discount. A merchant purchases an article for rupees 500, marks it for 80% higher price to his cost price, and he sold the same product at 20% discount on the market price. Calculate the actual profit percentage. Here the given data is cost price 500 rupees. Now let us determine what is the market price. Market price is 80% higher to the cost price, that is 80% of 500 is 400 rupees. So the market price is 500 plus 400, 900 rupees. He sold the same product at 20% discount on the market price. Now the 20% of the market price is 180 rupees. So the selling price is market price minus discount, which is 720 rupees. The profit percentage as usual is SP minus CP by CP into 100, that is 720 minus 500 by 500. So it is 44%. This way, by using the formulas and other tips, we can easily find the solutions to the problems related to concept of profit and loss. Please comment for any doubt if you have. Thanks for watching and please subscribe channel for more such content.